So, John Gage has been making fun of everybody for, this whole thing because we've got, the universe instrumented. So tell us about how that instrumentation really works and, what the scintilla modes are doing here.
Yeah, we have basically some of the world's smallest computers, which you can see on the screens. And they're running scintilla software, which basically fits in 10 kilobytes of memory. And it's really cool because they're so small and use so little power, we actually can instrument everything around us, the actual physical world, get data out of that. So as you came in, you saw the modes that were reading you and knew what you were doing, and we displayed the data and showed exactly what's going on in the Moscone Center.
Right, so the guts of a mote are kind of like a smart card.
Kind of like a smart card.
Kind of like a smart card. These ones are running CLDC, but you've got sensors and you've got RF measurement.
Measuring pressure and things like that. Up at the show device booth every day, we've had people coming by with all kinds of crazy new applications, from knowing when my mail has been delivered so I know when to go out and get it, to putting it on my motorcycles to know when the gear shift is going and optimize the fuel performance. So, there's all these great applications that even people at JavaOne have been coming up and telling us about.
Right, so these folks actually have a developer's kit. It's actually for sale upstairs.
That's right.
And you get a few motes in the box and the interface to a laptop, and have fun.
Exactly.
It's really good to make your fair fodder.
Yeah, and I thought what would be also fun is to get everybody here involved with the motes as well. And so what we've decided to do is bring the motes in and take some objects that normally are pretty dumb and instead make them smart using motes and some Java intelligence inside of it. So you want to help me out with that a second?
Sure.
Awesome. So what we've done is we've got some beach balls here, and they're actually instrumented with our mote.
All right, so it's an audience participation piece. So you guys have to catch them and throw them and bounce them around. Get them spread out, get them all over the place. We're just going to do two. There's more coming out. So, what we have going on the screen here, the arcs, you can see the mesh network that the motes are forming. The beach balls have cleverly suspended inside of the mote, the accelerometer. They're doing the positioning information based off signal strength. They're always within sort of earshot of one of the other guys. They're using all the mesh networking stuff. The network's relaying it back to.
Basically, we've just instrumented them with all these little beacons throughout the audience that give us the signal strength. So.
Yeah, so you see the little green dots on the edge here. You'll actually find them kind of around the room, and that's what the beach balls are talking to. They're using these things, and we've, instrumented the audience here.
So it shows you just how quickly and easily you can get something that's previously thought of as a dumb thing, make it smart.
Yeah, so you have all kinds of fun with your kit.
Absolutely.
And you might actually do something useful, although, I don't know, the useful stuff tends to be boring, but it's useful.
Not as much fun as beach balls.
Yeah, not as much fun as beach balls, well, you guys had a beer coaster, if I remember right, that you were...
That's right, we actually have a beer coaster that tells you when your drink is empty.
And it also has and the beer coasters actually have like little LEDs, and you mesh network the